Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy JB. Welcome back to the unboxing video. In today's video, we have the DJI Mic Mini 2. A friend of mine recently came back from Taiwan and he was able to get this. So special thanks to him for getting me this from Taiwan and enabling us to do this unboxing today. So with that said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome back. Just some of the features of this mic. We have interchangeable covers. We're going to show you that later on. But here are all the specs on the box. Lightweight and versatile. High quality audio. 3 voice tone presets. Automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. DJI Osmo Direct connection. 48-hour operating time. So in the box you get a receiver, 2 transmitter, charging case, compact couch, mobile phone adapter. I did not know it came with that because I already have one. Windscreen, magnetic clip, a magnet, USB cable, camera audio cable, and 4 covers. We're going to show you guys the colors here and documentation. So with that said, let's get this baby unboxed. It was kind of just easy to open, like it was already open. Usually there's a little tab that's just a little concerning. We got the typical DJI documentation and stickers. Put that to the side, and pretty much everything comes in the carrying pouch that it comes with, which is this nice carrying bag. We're going to put everything to the side first and unbox everything one by one. But pretty much after you unbox it, you're ready to go and film. So you get the pouch here on the side, and the charging case with both the mics. Cool. And then it pretty much just looks exactly like the DJI Mic Mini box that I'm using right now. Basically, you open it up, your transmitter is here, looks the same. You got the 2 mics already pre-installed with the wind muffs, and you have the USB-C cable, USB adapter for all of your USB-C products, and that's pretty much it. Comes with the case. Close it up, and it's charging both mics. And this is what I'm pretty excited about, is the colors, the color palette that they give you. It reminds me of the old school Macs, where it's different colors. So we have the purple one. It comes with a blue one, a sky blue one, green. Is that teal? Green, yellow, orange, and pink. That is super dope. And you know I am about to be rocking the pink. Not the pink, the purple. So pretty much it's magnetic. So you just, there's a little crevice here where you could stick your nail in and just pull that tab out. And then, like I said, it's magnetic. So all you gotta do is, bam, put it on there. You're rocking the purple mic. If you're trying to interview someone, you could be rocking their favorite color as well. So that's pretty dope. It does come in a different case, so you will have to carry both cases if you do feel like interviewing someone or changing out the colors on that same day. And then last but not least, we have just the cables, the audio cable and the USB-C cable. Typical USB-C to USB-C cable, and a 3.5 millimeter mic jack to 3.5 millimeter jack. And that's pretty much it. So put you guys here. I'm gonna go test this out. I believe this might be the the mobile phone adapter that they mentioned in the box, or I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, so then also this is a new feature where the clip itself is the magnetic, so you can have this clipped on you and then place it on there once you have it on your shirt or collar or whatever you're filming on to get audio. But I'm about to swap this out right now. I'm connected to the Osmo Pocket 3. Alright guys, so I am recording on the new mic right now, as you can see right here. I want to thank my friend Uriah for getting this in Taiwan, flying it back to me, and making this video possible. And if you guys are new to the channel and like the video, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB, signing out. Peace. Alright guys, so the bike is all set up. That's good.